Hi, I'm Brad Glasman. I'm with the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority. We manage several thousand acres, of which about 1,300 acres is agricultural land. Within our agricultural leases, there's an environmental component around conservation practices, primarily tillage and cropping and other structures that might be involved in the properties. And we thought it was important to have that as part of our lease because we wanted to showcase to farmers in the area what could be done with rental land and how it could be treated as best as possible from a soil health and conservation perspective. And we do have stipulations around the types of crops that can be grown, the duration that they can be grown. Soybeans can only be grown 1 year in succession, never 2 years in succession. We really try to promote good agronomic practices, so we strongly encourage a minimum of 3-year rotation, corn, beans, wheat. If hay or other crops are part of the program, we certainly will welcome that. One of the unique ag leases we got into at one point was associated with tile drainage. So what we did is we came up with an agreeable land lease rate for 10 years so that the farmer actually paid for the tile drainage up front and in turn had the right of that land for 10 years. They could farm it and hopefully recoup their costs associated with that capital investment. And in the end, we both had better land and could offer a healthier conservation cropping plan. The signing of the agricultural lease with our farmers is just the beginning. We maintain a fairly close relationship with them. We will sit down and discuss things with them if they have any issues. We usually meet with them 2 or 3 times a year. We visit the property at least once or twice a year, and we try to assist them. If there's specific things happen, such as even a tree falling on the property, we'll help them clean it up. If some of the soil tests are suggesting that lime is needed, we'll apply the lime and help and pay for some of those services. We also get engaged with soil sampling on the property or sharing that knowledge with the farmers that are there, again to encourage the best practices that we together can possibly do. We would encourage that all farmer renters and landowners adopt some sort of written lease between themselves. It not only protects them, their management, their land, but it also protects the environment, protects water quality. It's good for everyone, and again, we'd strongly encourage some sort of agreement between all parties.